Okay, Maurizio, I see that you would want to talk a little bit about what the users and their permissions are with the InfoScale Access product. Can you take us through that?
Of course.
Okay.
When you install InfoScale Access, by default, you have two users created, and they are master and support. Well, the master user is the administrator for everything. You can do basically everything with the master user. And this is the default user that every people will use to connect to InfoScale Access. The other user, support, instead, is a really powerful user. It's a special powerful user. And only tech support, only Veritas tech support is enabled to use support user. This is specifically used to collect extra logs, to increase the tracing level of logs, to work with binaries. So this is something that is really critical and it does not allow it for a normal user to use support as a user to log in InfoScale Access. Master, instead, can do everything. Well, one of the first things that master probably will want to do is to create more users. And once master create more users, for example, Bob.
Hey, there I am. I'm going to get to be a user, huh?
Okay. Oh, you are a user.
Oh, okay.
And because I respect you, I will promote you with a specific role. So you are Bob with a specific master role. So the user that is master can do everything that master user does. You can create other users. You can administer storage. You can create file systems. You can do whatever you want. Let's say that you want to create another user, for example, Kim, and you want to assign to Kim a little bit less privileges. So Kim will be assigned to a different role, for example, system administrator. Well, in effect, Kim will be able to do everything as well. He will be able to create storage pools, logical object shares, to configure the cluster, to add nodes to the cluster, to change the membership of the cluster itself, to manage replication, to schedule reports and the duplication, compression, everything that the master does already. But Kim will not be able to create users. There is another role that can be assigned to another user. So for example, let's say that you create another user called Wes, and you don't trust much Wes. And you will assign to Wes the storage administrator role. Well, storage administrator can only provision storage, can manage or administer storage, but it cannot create many structures. And it can run existing reports. So two things, provisioning storage and managing reports that already exist, that are already created by system administrators or master roles.
Okay.
That is.
Well, great. I appreciate, first of all, being made the master, which is really good. So I appreciate that. But it's a very good description of what the different roles are that are available in the InfoScale Access product.
Thank you.
So Mauricio, thank you for taking us through that.
You're welcome.